in this election had Baba not come out and said that he's offering himself. Secondly, Honorable Speaker, I also want to thank and congratulate Honorable William Ruto, the President, for embracing the candidature of Raila Odinga and using all available opportunity and resources to ensure that the campaign took off. Honorable Speaker, the campaign for the chairmanship of African Union is not a mean activity. It is an activity that requires travelings and movement across length and breadth of Africa. Honorable Speaker, this is not a campaign that you can do from your own resources, even if you are a dollar billionaire. Therefore, I want to say that the President was very bold and in coming out and embracing this candidature. Honorable Speaker, I was thinking about the support the President gave Raila. And I was even thinking, Speaker, that maybe if we had another president, God forbid, maybe this Wamunyoro guy as the president, I don't think Kenya would have presented a candidate. He would have said, no, this is not a priority for Kenya. But the fact that the president said this is important for Kenya and coming out of his way himself to campaign and to offer resources is something that we will never forget. Honorable Speaker, I heard some people complaining that, look, the Honorable Raila Odinga is using a particular chopper to travel across the length and breadth of Africa while he's campaigning. I don't know whether those Kenyans wanted Raila Odinga to use tuk-tuk or SGR as a means of movement to those African capitals. Honorable Speaker, lastly, I want to say that this candidature was not Raila's candidature. Like most people have said, it was Kenya's candidature. Actually, when people were voting, when presidents were voting, they were voting for the country. They were voting for Kenya. And therefore, I want to say that Kenya has won because Raila Odinga, using his profile, using his global profile, has been able to market the country. Kenya is now known. Kenya is respected. And the debate, Honorable Speaker, that Kenya has a weak or a poor foreign policy is something that I want to dismiss. Because, Honorable Speaker, if the Kenya's foreign policy is weak, I don't think those 22 presidents would have been able to support us. And so I want to say that we know the African politics, we know the politics of Anglophone and Francophone, and many other factors that I would have.
Thank you, Honorable Samatandi.